talk back. Hey. Let's catch it. But look, man. We need to see what y'all, boy. We headed to go take a picture of my car. From my car page. So that's why we gotta take a picture. So we just roaming, trying to see where I'm gonna take it at and things of that nature. Yeah, that's what's going on right now, you feel me? I got 23.59 points on McDonald's. So here's what I'm about to do. About to use and get me a spicy chicken sandwich because I want one. As soon as I find it. Oh, here you go. Feel me? We're gonna add to Mobile order. Pick an item. Hot and spicy. You got to have it hot and spicy. You feel me? Customize. Lettuce, need that. Mayonnaise, we don't want that. Pickles, we want that. Tomatoes, I don't want that. Well, not today. But tomatoes on your spicy chicken sandwich, but mustard, we want that. Ketchup, we want that. Save changes. Pick an item. Add to order. We gon' look at that right there. And that's how you get a free sandwich. You feel me? Review order. Now we're gonna place the order. Ba. Your order is confirmed. Now we go pick it up. That is the next process. Look at that. These stores ran down and out of business. I don't know what I don't know what's going on. Feel me? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. Hopefully y'all can hear it because the area is on. But it's hot. It's like 80. It's 88 degrees. Basically 90. And when you're around 90, it's basically 100 degrees outside. It got dark. Yeah, it's basically 1,000 degrees outside. And yeah, that area is a must. Can't lie. But they don't even got the roads the right way. You feel me? I'ma just let y'all know when I get
too lit with the aliens. On Stargate, so they took me out of space. Living like the right way. Four her friends on the phone. All up slapping like slugs. Only come to the club. But I drink till my ass get dizzy. Drink till my ass get dizzy. I'm too damn drunk, come get me. Don't know why I got started, whoa. Off the drink, I'm retarded, whoa. In advance, I'm sorry, whoa. Sorry, though, don't need it.
But I made it. I got a mobile order for CE78.
You said CE78?
Yeah.
Okay, you put on.
I'm telling him I got a college buddy. No.
Or have not that
seat. But I just want my sandwich. Yeah. He said, oh shit. He seen the car. I need a wrap idea. I need to wrap my car. I'm tired of my car being white and black. Well, I don't care about the black parts, but I don't like my car being white. Oh, it's WSFA 12 News. And they probably ain't reporting nothing. And nobody want to hear it. Y'all go places and y'all order, y'all need to put mobile orders in on the app. That way when you get to the intercom, you ain't gotta speak. You just say, oh, I got a mobile order for such and such. Save code it and boom. Cause people act like they can't never hear me. They're like, they just, I thought it was a tread. It could be it. No, it's not a tread. Yeah, that's not a track. But yeah, people act like they can't hear you. Well, they act like they can't hear me when I be ordering food. It ain't taking too long. It better be fresh to the T with everything that I said on the app. Cause I can just taste it in my soul, in my body, in my mind, like, it's about to bust. Feel me? I just want a hot and spicy chicken sandwich. Appreciate it. Yeah, that's it. I want to wait time. I'ma wait. Cause I'm gonna want something to drink. So I'ma wait till I get to the crib to bust that thing open, you feel me? Then when I bust it open, I'ma smash it. Understand me? Come on, man. But I'ma show y'all how it look though.
Chopper wanna, I be wanna rap. Chopper wanna sing, got my money up. Team, I can make Shawty turn flat for a week. Got my money up, now she want me. I can make Shawty get nasty on my knees. Pinky ring froze, bought a diamond ring. I'ma wear gold, finally made it clean.
What the? The Uber took long as hell I walked back. It's been stuck in my head for the past few days, I ain't gonna lie. It's just so catchy. The Uber took long as hell I walked back. Man, don't call me. If your number ain't saved, don't answer the phone. Cause why you calling? You never know who it could be. It could be, oh my gosh, down the wrong side of the road. It's a Honda. Man, it feel like I've been sitting here for 5 minutes waiting to turn. And that car still ain't went. Now it's your okay, it's my turn now. This, hold on. So this right here what my burger look like. I get a good look. Ooh, it would look like. So I'm gonna go ahead and indulge that. Understand me? And then I'm gonna give y'all a little review. Maybe if I remember. Tell y'all if it would. If they did it right or they did not do it right. Cause I ain't gonna lie, sometimes they don't do it right. Sandwich gone, it was a 0 out of 10, so it was pressure.